Are you ready to play a silly game with me? Can you help me name the fruit I found flying around in space? Let's do it. Oh, what is it? It's yellow. It's a yellow banana. Yummy, yummy. Bananas are so good for your tummy. Here comes another one. Can you see it? It's an apple. Big red apple. It's kind of bouncing around, bouncing. Can you bounce too? Wait, what is it? It's a juicy green watermelon. Look, spinning in space. Woohoo! I'm dizzy. Can you spin too, like the watermelon? I like the way you spin. I smell something super yummy. It's making my tummy growl. Look, I see purple grapes. They're purple grapes. Do you like purple grapes? Me too. Purple. I like purple. Wait, what is it? Can you see it? I see it. It's orange. It's an orange. It's an orange. That's a silly one. Oranges are orange. Say it. Oranges are orange. Woohoo! Oranges are orange. Hey, something else is coming in. I wonder what fruit it is this time. Woohoo! It's blue. It's blueberries. Lots of blueberries. Whoa! This is fun. Hey, let's do another one. This one's a tricky one. What is it? It's a brown kiwi. Look at it roll. Can you roll too? Move your body like you're gonna roll. It's fun. Hey kids, I have an idea. Let's put them all together and let's make a yummy fruit salad. I love fruit salad. First, we need a big bowl. Okay. I'm thinking of something that's yellow. What is it?
Banana.
That's a yellow banana. Hey, remember a banana? Let's put it in the bowl. Hey, I'm thinking of something that's red. What is it?
It's an apple.
It's the red apple. Let's put it in the bowl. Hey, I'm thinking of something that's green. What is it?
It's a melon.
That's a green watermelon. Let's put it in a bowl. Hey, I'm thinking of something that's purple. What is it?
Some grapes.
It's purple grapes. Let's put them in the bowl. Hey, I'm thinking of something that's orange. What is it?
It's an orange.
It's an orange. It's an orange. That's an easy one. It's an orange. That's a silly one. Let's put it in the bowl. Hey, I'm thinking of something that's blue. 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 What is it?
Blueberries.
It's a blueberries. Let's put them in the bowl. Hey, I'm thinking of something that is brown. What is it? What is brown?
Kiwi.
Oh, it's kiwi. Kiwi is brown. Let's put it in the bowl. Hey kids, I have a great idea. Maybe you can make some fruit salad at home just like me. Just ask your mom. Thanks for playing with me. I'll see you next time.